Hi, in this video I will show you how you can install the different modules of the Radiohost system. At first we will download the installation files from our website radiohost.com. Just go to the download menu and choose installation files. There you will find the installation files of all our modules. At first we will download Data Server, that is our database engine. Broadcasts is used for playing playlists and records voice tracks. Communicator will manage your database. Heavy Rotation is our advanced music scheduler. And Easy Spot is our traffic scheduler. So, once downloaded, we can install. It's easy as a double click on the MSI file. So, that's done. The last thing before we can use the Radiohost system is start the data server. At first use, data server will unpack all database files. That can take some time, so please be patient. Once all files are extracted, the data server will start and go up and running. So, our data server is up and running. In this video, I have installed all the modules on the same computer, but that's not necessary. You can install every module on a different computer. You have to see that on the data server, if you use different computers, you have to disable the option only local. In this example, we will activate it. So the Radiohost system is installed now. The next step is configure the different modules.